Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. And let's start with our, as usual, the Kalima Oracle. I feel I should pick the first card, Bhairavi Yogini. I really love when I see this skull. I don't know why, but it looks, it is as if it has a beautiful energy. Let's see what is the next card that is coming. That card, Kali Yantra. Okay, so now two cards have come, Bhairavi Yogini and the Kali Yantra. So let's see what is in store for you today. Bhairavi is basically the sixth Devi in the Dashamahavidya. Whenever she comes, she will make you to purify yourself and she will help you to work on your passion. She is called as Yogini because basically it's the feminine part, the feminine side, and she will guide you in such a way that you will work with wild energies, you will work with beautiful energies which will make you to move forward in life, which will help you to embrace the true passion inside you. It will help you to embrace the energy inside you and you will be able to work beautifully. But if you see, a common thing in both the cards is the triangle inside, which is inverted. So that this is also one reason why I love working with cards. I love working with any oracles because sometimes they are just bang on. Now coming to Kali Yantra. This basically is like, you should see this yantra to invoke your energies, to help you bring in positivity around you and to help you to stay focused in what you're planning and what you're doing. And when you're staying focused with this, in turn what will happen is you will get blessings from Kalima and it will help you to understand what it has to be done. You need to connect with the yantra. You need to do this mudra also. If you see this mudra, do this mudra, connect with this yantra for 5 minutes, or you can chant the mantra which I will tell you now, just keeping this mudra. You can pause this video here or you can come back and pause it and just focus on this mudra and focus on this yantra, so that what will happen is you will be able to understand and unlock the blockages, unlock the emotional, psychological or physical obstacles in your life and move forward in your life. So today the mantra will be Om Kreem Kalikayai Namaha. I repeat, Om Kleem Kalikayai Namaha. Today I would suggest if you can wear the color pink, because you will need loads and loads of self-love blessings when you're doing this oracle. But overall the day will be good. It will encourage you to tap your inner potential so that you are blessed with all the happiness and you manifest all your desires. So have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.